Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at the US dollar index. This is ahead of the CPI reports coming out tomorrow. So essentially what we've seen is a little bit of a wild sort of past few hours on the US dollar. We've seen a lot of selling coming into the market, now a complete reversal to that selling and a lot of buying coming back into the market. Now the reason being is because there was a little bit of a scare with the US dollar, and there was some rumors about the fact that the CPI reports were going to be very, very bad, and that had pushed some investors to start selling the US dollar. Apparently that has been squashed, and now we're starting to see the US dollar rally again. So that just shows you how important this next CPI data is going to be for the US, and we need to look at a couple of different scenarios for whether that report will be good or bad, because if we just take a quick look at this weekly time frame, price has pretty much remained in the similar sort of area for the past 3 to 4 weeks now, and we're looking for some kind of breakout. We need some kind of direction for us to start looking to either buy or sell the US dollar again. So what we're going to look at, if I just go down into that daily time frame now and just kind of zoom out a little bit, what we're going to look at really is the range sort of here. That's the price is kind of ranging within that past 3 weeks. So if price was to break to the upside, that CPI data would likely be pretty good for the US dollar. We'd then get some trend direction, and we would be able to start looking for those continued buying opportunities on the US dollar. Now, the strength meter has also started to suggest that the US dollar is also getting a little bit stronger. So if we have that combined with the CPI data being good, then what I'll be looking for is a break above these recent swing highs, a retest, and a continuation of the overall uptrend then, because at least we've got some higher highs and higher lows being formed at that point. However, if the CPI data is bad for the US, then we're likely going to see a little bit more downside, and even the sort of lows around about $89 will likely be tested after a breakout of these lows through here. So keep an eye on that CPI data tomorrow. It's going to be a big report. Investors will be looking at this to see whether the dollar will start to break to the upside, or whether the dollar bearishness that we've seen pretty much since the start of April will continue. Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll speak to you soon.